This binocular outsmarts $1,000 models? Celestron TrailSeeker ED 8x32 review gone wild. Feeling stuck with blurry, disappointing views when you're out birding or chasing sunsets? You're out in nature, hoping for that magical moment, an eagle soaring or a butterfly mid-hover, and all you get is a washed-out, foggy mess through your old binos. Frustrating, right? You start wondering why you even bother packing gear that can't keep up with your passion. It's like hauling dead weight on your neck for zero payoff. And don't even get us started on eye strain, chromatic aberration, that rainbow blur nonsense, or cheap plastic lenses that make you question your life choices. If your optics are more meh than majestic, we feel your pain. Now amplify the disappointment with stress. Missed wildlife shots, cringey blur, and major regret. Ever had one of those once-in-a-lifetime sightings, like a hawk diving, or a glowing sunset over a canyon, and your binoculars totally butcher it? Yeah. That sinking pit in your stomach? That's called missed opportunity burnout. Every time your gear can't deliver, it drains your joy and adds unnecessary pressure. You're not just out there for the view, you're hunting clarity, precision, and focus. Bad optics don't just ruin the moment, they steal your motivation to even try. Let's be real. You deserve better than disappointment dressed as budget gear. Enter the Celestron TrailSeeker ED 8x32. It's not just a bino, it's a revelation. This bad boy is no joke. Packed with extra low dispersion glass, fully broadband multi-coatings, and dielectric BAK4 prisms, it delivers ridiculously clear, razor-sharp, color-true images edge to edge. Fog? Gone. Blurs? History. You'll see birds so crisp you'll count their feathers. And yes, it's waterproof, fog-proof, drop-resistant, and even tripod adaptable for the serious spotter. We're talking optics that rival models 2 to 5x the price, without your wallet crying. Whether you're birding, hiking, or stalking butterflies like a majestic weirdo, TrailSeeker ED doesn't just keep up, it leads the pack. You get clarity, comfort, confidence, and a whole vibe upgrade. This lightweight magnesium beast feels premium in hand but won't drag you down. Got glasses? No prob, twist-up eye cups make viewing buttery smooth. Close focus at 6.5 feet lets you dive into the micro-wildlife world, while wide FOV lets you track that flying falcon like a pro. Comes with a comfy harness and a neck strap, plus a soft case for that I actually protect my gear crowd. Whether you're a weekend trail crawler or a dawn patrol birder, this is your new visual superpower. Wanna feel like nature's VIP? Yeah. Click that link. Don't just watch nature, own it. Thousands of outdoor freaks and bird nerds already made the switch. They're out there living their HD dreams while you're still battling blur. Act fast, these bad boys sell out faster than you can say ED glass superiority. Why settle for weak sauce vision when crisp, color-corrected greatness is a click away? You've waited long enough. Ditch the drama gear. Seize the TrailSeeker ED. Your eyeballs, and future memories, will thank you. Click now. Zoom in. Never miss again.